Have your updates ever acted up because of a full C drive, or ever been hit with that low storage pop-up when trying to download that one video game your friend told you about at school? I totally get it, but that's not it all. Full C drives can also be a path to weak security systems. They could also down stability, and worst case scenario, every user's nightmare, a super slow computer. Real talk, most of us have been victims or will be victims to this at some point as computer users. I've been there myself, wondering why my computer feels slower every single day. The truth is, a lot of that hidden clutter stacks up in just two places: downloads and documents. Now, those two folders are by default located on your C drive, but what most users don't know is you can actually move them safely to your D drive. Now you're probably thinking of copying or cutting and pasting. Well, that could help you right now. That could help you right now, but that won't automatically change the location of your future downloads and saved documents. So, unless you want to play cat and mouse with your computer, chin up and let's explore this together. Let's start with something so obvious. I want you to think of your C drive like the center of a major city and you as the mayor of that city. Now, what really happens in your city is everything important moves through there. That's where major businesses are located and so on. In our case, it's the programs, the updates, and the operating system itself. Now I want you to imagine its side streets, say the downloads and documents, pictures. In our case, imagine they start clogging up with traffic. What do you think will happen? Exactly, your whole city will slowly crawl to a stop. That's exactly what happens inside your PC. I mean, when your C drive fills up. Exactly the reason why this small move we are talking about today is so important and could make such a big difference. So Mayor, let's clean up your city. First, you want to open File Explorer. Find your D drive and open it. Now right click anywhere in the blank space and create a new folder there. Name it Downloads or anything that fits your style. Now go over to your Downloads folder under Quick Access. Right here in the left pane, right click it and choose Properties. Now under the Location tab, this is where Windows decides where your downloads actually go. So hit Move, then choose the new Downloads folder you just created on your D drive and click OK. Windows will ask if you want to move all your existing files. Well, do you? Then click Yes. Give it some time to move everything safely. Now, all you have to do is follow the exact same steps to move documents or other folders like pictures, videos, just in case you need to free up even more space. Oh, I almost forgot. The other thing is, if you like putting whatever file you lay your hands on onto the desktop, know that that's space for the C drive too. So you may want to consider moving the desktop folder to the D drive as well. After just a few minutes, you'll notice the difference. You'll notice updates downloading faster, your apps will open smoother, and don't get me wrong, that's just your computer feeling lighter again. I want you to notice that you actually didn't need to buy anything or risk any file to give your PC that refreshing feel it once had. Now, small steps like this don't just fix slowdowns. Come on, that would sound like an understatement to my ears. That move we just made right there, that move could make your computer last longer. So if you found this video helpful, you could simply give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real fixes that actually make a difference, but more importantly, go ahead and share your thoughts in the comment section below, because we actually read those and reply each one of them. Here at TechWithBenam we say thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.